Hello, we are going to study about DTH. The main contents of DTH we are going to study are introduction, history, constituents of DTH, basic principles of DTH, basic block diagram and its operation, cable TV versus DTH TV, features of DTH, DTH service providers, conclusion. Introduction. The term DTH stands for Direct to Home. DTH television is a wireless system for delivering television programs directly to the viewer's house, defined as the reception of satellite programs with a personal dish in an individual home. DTH symbols the transmission of digital video channel to home subscribers through a small dish antenna. The history of DTH. The DTH services were first proposed in India in 1996 and failed with approval. Due to national security in 1997, again ban was imposed. The first DTH owned by Robert Murdoch Indian Sky Broadcasting System was finally approved in 2000. New policy was commenced to all operators to set up in 12 months for license. DTS license in India would cost 2.14 millions and the license was valid for 10 years. The equipments of which DTH consists are mini dish antenna, LNBF, coaxial cable, connector, set-top box. The basic principles of DTH. In DTH television, the broadcast signals are transmitted from satellites orbiting the Earth to the viewer's house. Each satellite is located approximately 35,700 kilometers above the Earth in geosynchronous orbit. These satellites receive the signals from the broadcast stations located on Earth and rebroadcast them to the Earth. The viewer's dish picks up the signals from satellite and passes it to the receiver located inside the viewer's house. The receivers process the signal and passes it on to the television. The DTH television is used in millions of homes across United States, Europe and Southeast Asia. This is a block diagram of DTH, how it works. How the DTH operation commences. It has two uh, types of unit, outdoor unit and indoor unit. The outdoor unit consists of a parabolic satellite antenna, low noise amplifier, converter. The outdoor unit also has the receiver antenna in is a parabolic reflector or antenna which is directed directly to the satellite to receive the signals. The received signal from satellite eh, by the antenna is applied to the low noise amplifier which is wideband amplifier. LNA amplifies all the frequencies received from antenna and applies them to a converter. The second input to this converter is from the local oscillator 1. The converter output consists of a UHF signal having a frequency range from 950 to 1450 MHz with a bandwidth of 500 MHz. The output of converter is applied to the RF amplifier. The indoor unit. The indoor unit consists of an RF amplifier which is applied to a channel selector to select the desired channel with the help of the mixer and local oscillator 2. An IF frequency of 70 MHz is produced. The RF amplifier applied these to a video audio detector which separates the video and audio and synchronizes pulses. The TV receivers then works as usual. A DBS, digital directly broadcast satellite concept, is used to in DTH system. DTH versus cable TV. Satellite TV involves receiving signals from satellite, whereas cable TV entails airing programs. The biggest difference between satellite and cable TV is the picture and sound quality. Unlike cable TV, satellite TV programs are excellent quality, with some of them being high definition. Here are some guidelines that can help compare the DTH network with satellite TV, cable television. The comparison: Dish network features HD Dolby sound, CD sound superior picture quality with huge numbers of channel access, whereas cable TV average access quality sound and picture, limited numbers of channels accessed. Dish TV has remote geographical access with limited installation. Cable TV for subscriber is limited to wire but major to the supplier with huge installation. Special features: recording and play games, study aids for children and languages, house home tutorials packages with movie on demand, whereas cable TV has manual access with less feature but with modern net. Some features of DTH: DTH offers better quality picture than cable TV. DTH can reach remote areas with terrestrial transmission and cable TV have failed to penetrate. DTH has also allows for interactive TV services such as movie on demand and email. In DTH, the payments will be made directly by the subscriber to the satellite company offering the services. DTH service providers are majorly six service providers and total of over 5 million subscribers. 5 million subscribers, that is Tata Sky, Dish TV, Sun Direct, Big TV, Bharti Airtel DTH, and DTH potential from DD Direct Plus. DTH to grow from 3.2 million to 43 million by 2019. DTS has made the hopes of the people of rural areas to come true. It helps to develop and explore the ignited mind of people of India to think beyond the scope of imagination. It also helps to develop the economic condition of a country. The DTH market in India is relatively in day to day. Major companies like Airtel, Reliance, Tata, Videocon, and market crash would manage to overtake Japan as the largest DTH market in Asia. In the next 4 to 5 years, we will be able to add another 30 million subscribers. Thank you.